So, health benefits of carrots, isa-isayin natin, kaibigan.
Number 1, they fight cancer.
Okay,
Wow.
siya po ay lumalaban sa cancer. So, hindi ibig sabihin pag may cancer ka na, anti-cancer siya. No. When you say anti-cancer, prevention of it. So, it is very, very good to take carrots di daily, but madalas para hindi ka tubuan ng cancer o mabuhayan ng cancer cells. Because carrots do have carotenes na pinag-aralan ng mahabang panahon, napakataas ng carotene contents nito na anti-cancer. Okay?
Beta-carotene.
Beta-carotene, yan.
Whenever you steam them, boil them, eat them raw, cooked, blended, or fresh carrots are always good for fighting
The onset of cancer. Okay?
Carrots belong to a group of foods that have promising effect when it comes to cancer prevention, along with other vegetables that are rich in carotenoids, such as
Carotenoids.
spinach and tomatoes. Carrots could specifically help prevent breast cancer. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene that gets converted to vitamin A. In addition, carrots are rich in pectins too, which is quite good for your gut.
Yung carrots po, kung gagamitin ninyo, hilaw man yan o luto, kahit o niluluto ang carrots, hindi ho nawawala yung kanyang beta-carotene na pag pumasok sa katawan natin, kino-convert para maging vitamin A na proteksyon para sa paglaganap ng cancer cells sa ating katawan. Next. Number 2.
Number 2, they prevent vision problems.
It prevents. Hindi pwedeng malabo na mata mo, tsaka ka babanat. Tsaka kakakain. Uy, malabo na mata ko, kain ako ng carrots, lilinaw ulit. No. During the time na malinaw pa siya, kumain ka nito para hindi ka bigyan ng problema sa paglabo ng mata. Basahin.
This is one of the most well-known benefits of carrots. The high vitamin A content helps prevent problem with your vision. Carrot can help you avoid the appearance of cataracts, macular degeneration, and night blindness. Of course, carrots won't help you with problems such as myopia or astigmatism because this will require medical attention. But eating carrots from a young age may help you avoid developing these tissues.
Okay, bakit daw po? Because nako-convert nga po yung beta-carotene papunta sa vitamin A. Yung vitamin A po ay kailangan ng ating dugo para mag-circulate properly papunta sa pinakamaliliit na himaymay ng ating ugat, particularly the retina veins. Isa sa pinakamaliit na ugat na meron tayo ay ang tinatawag na retina veins. At kailangan madaluyan siya ng maayos na daloy ng dugo para manatili ang pagiging malinaw ng kanyang paningin. Kaya nga kung mapapansin nyo, kapag mga diabetiko, sigurado lalabo ang mata. Bakit? Malapot ang dugo dahil sa taas ng glucose composition. At dahil malapot ang dugo, hindi makadaloy sa pinakamaliit na ugat na retina. Kaya ang mga diabetiko, prone magkaroon ng diabetic retinopathy. Next.
Eating raw carrots strengthen your teeth and gums.
Yan. Eating raw. Ibig sabihin ng raw, hilaw. Pag kinakain nyo po ang carrots ng hilaw, mas maganda pong nguyain nyo siya na matagal dahil yan po ang magpapatibay ng husto ng inyong ipin, ng inyong gums.
Eating raw vegetables like carrots improve blood flow to the mouth and prevents bacteria from building up on your teeth.
Kung meron ho kayong mabahong hininga, kasi pag may bacterial infection sa bibig, hindi lang po dito galing ang baho na halitosis. Okay, pag may mabahong hininga po kayo, eat carrots a lot at magugulat po kayo, pumapatay siya ng bacteria within the mouth.
Okay, the fluoride content in foods such as carrots, spinach, and apples can keep your tooth enamel in good condition and prevent tooth decay.
Yan, because may fluoride din po na content si carrots.
Pwede pala siyang
Pag kinain ng hilaw.
Number 4, they help control cholesterol levels.
Yan, ito mga sakit na marami, akala nila, pag mataas ang cholesterol nila, pag pumunta ho kayo sa kahit saan, bibigyan ho kayo ng cholesterol drugs para bumaba ang inyong cholesterol. Mali.
Statin?
Statin drugs. You don't need to take statin drugs because cholesterol is very essential para sa katawan mo at mabuhay ka ng healthy. Huwag niyong pabababain ang cholesterol niyo sa pamamagitan ng gamot. Pabababain natin ang cholesterol na sobra sa pamamagitan ng sweating, hindi ng gamot. pag uminom kayo ng gamot sa cholesterol, it will damage your liver and kidney. At maniwala kayo, yan ang dahilan kung bakit maraming sira ang kidney ngayon. Hindi ba kayo nagtataka? Wala namang dialysis center nung araw Ba't biglang nagkaroon? At halos lahat ng bayan meron na. Ayun. See? Because you are doing something to damage your kidney without us knowing it. Kaya meron, Doc Atoy, para ipaalam ito. You don't need cholesterol drugs. Malinaw?
Along with the benefits of carrots for your cardiovascular health, this vegetable can also help reduce your cholesterol levels. This is thanks to the high content of soluble fiber, especially pectin, which prevent fat from building up on the walls of your arteries. Carrots help eliminate the type of fat and reduce blood pressure.
Alright. So, binanggit ko na, kung ang cholesterol mo ay ma-eliminate natin sa pamamagitan nito, even the blood pressure will go down. And
Number
last,
5, they fight constipation and stomach pain.
yeah. So kung meron ho kayong masakit na tiyan at gusto nyo laging umiinom ng antacids, mag-carrot juice kayo. Kung
Carrot
kayo ay nahihirapang dumumi at kailangan nyong uminom ng kung ano-anong laxative, mag-carrot juice kayo.
They fight constipation and stomach pain. The high fiber content in carrots improve your body ability to eliminate waste and prevent constipation.
Yan.
It also calms any stomach pain or excess acidity thanks to the mineral salt content made up of sodium,
Yun.
chlorine, potassium, and the vitamin B.
Yan. Yun yung composition ni carrots na makukuha ng ating digestive system kung bakit natutulungan niya tayo to eliminate the toxins in the digestive system. Tandaan nyo, pag kayo ay constipated, delikado, hindi ka makadumi Imagine, iniipon mo yung dumi. Yung basura nga, pag hindi mo itinapon sa takdang oras, naiipon yung basura, nababahuan kayo. Nabubulok. What more sa loob ng ating katawan?
Yeah.
At ang tamang pagdumi should be 2 to 3 times a day. Kailangan po nakakadumi tayo. At makakatulong po na malaki ang carrots. Pero, syempre, hindi pwedeng walang water. Tandaan nyo, everything, kailangan po may panulak tayo. At ang panulak natin, the best ay ang tubig. Alright. So, mga
Meron
kaibigan.
pa.
Okay.
Number 6, they improve kidney function.
Ba't may number 6?
The high water content in carrots along with the many mineral
Yeah.
salts helps break down kidney stone.
Ah.
This is why carrots are always included in the cleansing diet.
Ah.
For all of the above reasons, adding carrots to your diet will give you a lot of benefits while also being an excellent source of vitamins and mineral salts.
Okay, so ito yung suggestion. For those na napakatagal ng may maintenance, kahit saan mo ininom yung maintenance mo, napakahilig mo dati sa pain reliever, here is how you will make your kidney healthy again. Take carrot juice, kahit once a day. Carrot juice once a day for 21 to 28 days will definitely improve your kidney more and more every month. Okay ba yan? Kasi maglilinis siya ng kidney, palalakasin niya yung kidney.